Understanding leather dressing. A guide to maintaining leather. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the concept of leather dressing. This is not about fashion, but rather, it's about the maintenance and care of leather products. Whether it's a jacket, a bag, or furniture, understanding how to properly care for leather will ensure its longevity and beauty. Leather dressing is a term used to describe the various conditioners, oils, and protective coatings applied to leather products. Just like our skin, leather can dry out, crack, and lose its luster over time. Leather dressing helps to moisturize the leather, preventing it from drying and cracking, protect it from the elements, like sun and water, restore its natural sheen and suppleness. Leather is a durable yet flexible material, but it requires care to maintain its quality. Here are a few reasons why leather dressing is essential. Preservation. Leather items are often significant investments. Proper care ensures they last longer. Aesthetics. Regular dressing keeps leather looking new, enhancing its natural beauty and texture. Comfort. Well-maintained leather stays supple and comfortable to wear or use. There are several types of leather dressing available, each suited for different types of leather and purposes. 1. Conditioners. These are gentle and moisturize the leather without adding a heavy layer on top. 2. Oils. These penetrate deep into the leather, making them excellent for heavy-duty items like saddles or boots. 3. Waxes. These provide a protective layer on top of the leather, making them great for items exposed to harsh conditions. Applying leather dressing is a simple process, but it's important to do it correctly. 1. Clean the leather. Use a soft, damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Test the product. Apply a small amount of dressing to an inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't alter the color or texture. 3. Apply the dressing. Use a soft cloth to apply the dressing in a circular motion, ensuring it's evenly distributed. 4. Let it absorb. Allow the dressing to penetrate the leather. This may take a few hours. 5. Buff. Once absorbed, buff the leather with a clean, dry cloth to bring out the shine. We hope this video has been informative and helps you keep your leather items in top-notch condition. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving the beauty and functionality of leather. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.